great hospital adventure. G-R-E-A-T. It's a great hospital adventure. It's a great hospital adventure. Ashley and Josh's adventure. It's one that you will remember. It's a great hospital adventure.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm 8 years old.
And I'm Josh, and I'm 12 years old.
Why, we are brother and sister, and kids, just like you.
Yeah, just like you. Except, not long ago, actually last summer, we had a great hospital adventure.
Yeah, a great hospital adventure. And because of that adventure, well, it was so amazing that now both of us want to work in a health career when we grow up.
Would you like to hear about our great hospital adventure? Ashley, maybe you could tell our new friends about it and what health careers are.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea, Josh. Well, it all started one day last summer. Why, we were at home, just enjoying the day.
Josh!
Yes, Mom?
Josh, how many times do I have to tell you not to leave your skateboard on the steps? Someone could trip and fall and really get hurt.
Oh, Mom. I didn't mean to leave it there. I was playing on my Wii online and forgot to pick it up.
Josh, pick up your things. Then you can play on your Wii. It's just not safe.
Well, I'm right in the middle of an online game. I can't just hit pause. I'll pick those things up as soon as I finish this board. It won't take long. Wow, that was fun. I think it's time for a snack before the next game.
Josh! Ashley, quick! It's an emergency! Josh has fallen down the steps!
Oh, no! Mom, I'll call 911 right away. 911 is the number you call when there is an emergency. This was one big emergency.
Hello, 911. What is your emergency?
My brother! It's my brother. He's fallen down the steps. I think he's really hurt.
What is your name? And is your mom there?
My name is Ashley, and yes, my mom is here, but she's helping my brother Josh right now.
Oh, Ashley, tell them to hurry.
My mom really needs your help. Please hurry. I live at 1234 West State Street.
Okay, Ashley, try to remain calm, and tell me what happened again.
Well, my brother fell down the steps, and he looks really hurt.
We're sending an ambulance right now.
The 911 operator was very, very nice to me. She calmed me down and asked who I was, where I lived, and what happened.
Hello, I'm Roger the paramedic. Where is the patient?
My brother Josh is right here. He fell down the steps. He slipped on his skateboard.
Where's your mommy?
She went to call my daddy.
Oh, my leg. My leg.
Don't worry, Josh. Just keep very still. I'm going to take care of you until we reach the hospital. I'm just going to listen to your heart and take your blood pressure. And it doesn't hurt one bit. It's my job to take care of people like you, people who are hurt or sick.
Thanks for being so nice to me.
Well, let's take a look. Let's get him to the hospital quickly.
Oh, Mom, I'm really worried.
Ashley, your father, he's at your uncle's house. We'll have him meet us at the hospital. Let's go.
Roger took very good care of Josh. While Josh was in the ambulance, Roger listened to his heart and checked his blood pressure.
Hello, I'm Nurse Paul, and you must be Josh.
Yes, I'm Josh.
Well, I met your mother and father. They're right outside the door. They're filling out some paperwork and will be back real soon.
Are you a nurse?
Yes, I'm a registered nurse. Being a nurse is a health career. I'm trained to take care of people who are sick or hurt when you come to the hospital until the doctor comes.
Well, I bet you'll be able to take good care of my brother Josh then.
I'll certainly do my best. Where does it hurt, Josh?
Well, my ribs hurt a little.
Okay.
It's a little hard for me to breathe, and my leg really hurts.
Nurse Paul checked Josh's breathing, and he also checked Josh's other injuries.
Here's Dr. Snow now.
Hello, I'm Dr. Snow. I'm the emergency room doctor. Is this the patient, Nurse Paul?
Yes, doctor. This is Josh and his sister Ashley. Josh has fallen down the steps. He seems to have hurt his ribs and his leg.
Hello, Josh. You don't have to worry or be afraid at all. I'm going to take really good care of you. Let me take a look then.
What do you think, doctor?
Yes, what do you think?
Well, you may have a broken rib and a broken leg. We need to get him an x-ray right away. I'm going to order an x-ray and speak to your mother and father. I'll be right back.
Thank you so much, Nurse Paul and Dr. Snow.
Wow, Nurse Paul and Dr. Snow are pretty cool. They both have great health careers. I think you're going to be okay, Josh. Hello, everyone. My name is Diane. Hi, I'm Ashley. Are you the patient, Josh?
Yes, I am.
What do you do? I'm an X-ray technician. It's my health career, and I take X-rays. An X-ray machine can take pictures of your bones and the inside of your body. Wow, that sounds exciting. I want to be an X-ray tech. I'd love to take pictures of a person's bones. Well, Josh, we're going to move you to another room to take those pictures. Diane rolled in Josh's bed to the X-ray room. Diane went on to take X-rays of Josh and got great pictures of his ribs and leg.
Hello again, Josh. You know, it turns out that you have a broken leg and a bruised rib.
Well, it's still kind of hard to breathe, Dr. Snow.
Well, I think everything will be okay, but you'll need to see some other people in the hospital. I'm going to have 3 people come to see you: a medical laboratory technician, a respiratory therapist, and a pharmacist.
That sounds scary, Dr. Snow.
Yes, it really does.
Don't worry, kids. It's not scary at all. A medical laboratory technician? Well, they simply test your blood. It's just a little pinch to get blood from your arm to make sure that you are healthy inside. You see, your blood circulates throughout your body and can tell me many things. They do all the blood testing in a lab using machines and microscopes, and then they give the report back to me. And a respiratory therapist is a health professional trained to treat people who have breathing problems. In your case, it'd be good to see one since you have bruised your rib and you're having trouble breathing. The respiratory therapist will test your breathing by having you blow really hard in a hose. They'll make sure your lungs are nice and fit. And a pharmacist provides medications to people who have seen a doctor for injuries or sickness. They must be good in science and math to make sure that they are giving out the right medicine.
That doesn't sound bad at all, Dr. Snow.
No, not scary at all.
But first, I'll have to put a cast on your leg to keep it safe while your bones heal. Then I'll send in the physical therapist. A physical therapist assists in helping patients to recover physically through exercise. They will give you crutches and make sure you are able to walk on them too.
Well, after seeing many people with health careers, Josh came home. But the adventure wasn't over. Just as a precaution, my daddy took Josh to the dentist just to make sure that he didn't hurt his teeth when he fell. A dentist takes care of problems with your teeth and gums. You need to see your dentist regularly to keep your beautiful smile. We learned a lot during our great hospital adventure, didn't we, Josh?
Boy, we sure did. And now I want to have a health career just like those who are at the hospital.
Me too!
Wouldn't you like to become a nurse or a doctor?
How about a respiratory therapist or medical laboratory technician?
Or a physical therapist? Or a dentist?
Why, you can pick any health career that you'd like. And there are many more to choose from. Yep, I want to have a health career. You can have a health career too. Yeah!